I will talk about how can you enable account statements notifications on your eToro app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do, you just go here above this sign, click on it. So then it's going to show for you a list like this. Then all you have to do now, just click here on settings. So then you come to next CPR. Then all you have to do now, you just click here on notifications, just click on it. Then it's going to take you to this list here. Then you click here on account details. You come to account statements here, just click in this sign. Like you see this color show for us, that's mean here account statements notifications enabled with us now. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. So that's all here. Thank you for your watch.